All right, welcome back to our series. This is video 2, and it's really engine pool. So what we've managed is to free this small block Mopar out of the confines of our coupe. All in all, it went pretty well. Nothing unusual, although I gotta tell you, and you can probably relate to this, you put some stuff together, wrench it together, years go by, and it comes down to taking it apart, and you scratch your head thinking, how the heck did I get it there in the first place, right? Well, like I said, uneventful, went okay. Small hint with these headers, which are the standard, Mopar F, J, M body headers, probably some A's and B's maybe as well, maybe E's. Small block again, the headers that have the link, steering link running through them, helps out to turn the wheels a little bit to free up the driver's side. And of course, you may have to jack up the car a little bit or whatever, but it went pretty well. So, okay, very good. So, next video will be all about the engine teardown. But in the meantime, let me just kind of point you to something that I put together because I was thinking of doing this standard kind of, pegboard, right? But I ended up scoring actually these steel pegboard pieces, and part of the idea here was, hey, why don't I get something that's a little bit heavier duty, pretty nice and handy. 3 pieces, put a bit of a frame around it, but the benefit is I can put some heavier stuff up there. So whether it's the alternator, the thermoquad, small little pieces, or even the bigger stuff. So it's been a good add-on to the garage. Okay, that's it. Just wanted to share that, but this wraps up the video. So video number 3 for us is going to be the 360 Mopar teardown. See you guys then.